My name is Mike Sperber. I'm the owner of Nature's Guardian Incorporated. What separates us from the other companies is our passion to what we do. We really listen to what the client wants to have done. We try to come up with solutions that work with the property, work with the environment, and giving them the beauty that they're looking for. Protect, nurture, and beautify. That's what we revolve around. Protecting plants that are there, protecting the trees that have grown, protecting the properties. Nurture, if they're struggling, let's help them out. And then beautifying, meaning coming up with new ideas, enhancing the property. Each property we try to incorporate something that's a little bit different, trying to increase the investment value of people's homes.